Hi, I'm Tom from Allsee Technologies here at ISE 2026 with our range of bespoke solutions. Allsee is known for its range of digital signage projects that we hold in stock, but we've got a few examples here of bespoke projects that we actually do a large amount of. So the first one at the top here is this bespoke stretch display. This was for a large supermarket chain in the UK with nearly 6,000 units sold. So they had pre-existing gantries that we needed to fit a screen in, and we custom designed the screen to fit the space alongside custom bracketry to make installation of the screen as easy as possible. The next project we've got here is for the circular LED, which is for a casino. Again, they had a very particular need with their roulette table, and we custom made and were able to create this display and this solution for them. That included our CMS and the LED, again, meeting the very specific needs of this one customer. And the last project we've got here is this custom 33-inch square display. A custom square display obviously is not something that you see very often in digital signage. And again, we were able to make this happen for our customer. And actually we'll be bringing this product out as a standard stock project later this year. So for any more information about any of our stock projects or any bespoke products, please get in touch at allsee-tech.com.